We are grateful for Beyond because they helped us repair a spot at the daycare where it was causing some incidents for children and also adults. And by repairing that, they ensured the safety for our building, not just children, like I said, but also adults and staff members. It always starts small. We have to make sure that the small things are taken care of so it doesn't grow into a bigger situation. Hi, my name is Chaiti Akhtar. I am the preschool teacher in the butterfly room at Airdrie Daycare First Ave. This daycare is very special because everybody's like a giant family. Whether it's the parents, the children, the staff, we all like to communicate with each other and just make sure that we are there for the children. And we treat them just like as our own, and I think that's why it's very special. Repairs like these are very important for any establishment, especially in childcare, because the parents can trust us and trust the company or the daycare in general with the care of the children, and there won't be incidents that happen where the child can get hurt, and they can see that every day when they walk in the morning. We've had multiple parents come up to us and say that it's great that we have gotten the pavement repaired because we've had a few children, just because children don't look where they're going, they're just trusting in the adults, right? So they'll just walk by and then oopsie daisies, they just fall, and then there's some incident that happens. And there's a lot of parents that did come up to us and say that they're glad that it's repaired just because it causes less of a safety issue for the children and everybody around them. Maintenance and safety go hand in hand, and it's very important for any establishment, especially in childcare, just because it ensures the safety of the children and also the staff and parents that come through, because you can walk in and not really worry about if there's anything that's going to happen. You're just here to come and pick up your child or drop off the child, make sure that they have a great day, and then you can go about your day.